Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Well-known grocery delivery company Instacart is hiring a remote work from home customer success associate. So this is going to be a customer service type job, but it is not leaving your home and delivering groceries. It is completely remote work from home. We are going to dive all in. Just know if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. So you're actually going to be customer service, not for people that are ordering their groceries, but it says Instacart is a company that is a recognized leader in the AI-powered pricing and promotions division. They work with global brands and retailers, companies such as Coca-Cola, Frito-Lay, all of those things. Of course, they work with your big grocery retailers as well. They are looking for somebody to partner with the retail customers to drive value creation and satisfaction using their software as a solution or software as a service solution and software. You're going to be working with the integration engineers to help implement their retail solutions and continue working with their customers to make sure that they secure value from the software solutions that are delivered to them through the Instacart relationship. You're going to assist the retail customers or those grocery retailers or other store retailers in designing and implementing their promotion and pricing strategy through the Instacart platform. You'll help train them on the application, reviewing impacts of those changes on their business. You're going to help nurture strong customer relationships and be the subject matter expert on the capability for power users and the program managers. You're going to deliver that excellent customer service experience through project management and work through any bottlenecks, managing multiple schedules of that data-driven process and deliverables. So as far as what they're looking for, this is going to require a bachelor degree, ideally with business degree or in a quantitative field, and somebody who has 1 to 3 years of work experience. Ideally, that would be an analyst or associate type role. They want somebody who enjoys working hands-on with the customers, someone who is a highly organized and independent thinker, and someone who can be a collaborative personality with strong communication skills. But if you have a degree and that is you, Instacart is paying very, very well for this position. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location, so it is broken down by state. The lowest pay, though, is $71,000 a year, and it goes up from there, with the highest being $95,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.